Hello friends! Welcome back to Rachel Reviews. I'm Rachel. Today we have another Stitch Fix. I just uploaded a video a week ago with my last Stitch Fix, but got another one today real soon because I didn't keep anything from the last one. So if you hear snowplow in the background, my neighbor has decided that it's a good time to plow the snow. We got like at least 4 inches of snow last night. So that's what he's doing. So if you hear that, I'm sorry. If you're new to my channel and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It'd be really awesome. But yeah, let's get right into it. Stitch Fix. Here's our bundle, you guys. Look at all those different colors. I feel like I've been getting a lot of the same colors lately. So we got some light blue. It looks like it has like some ribbing on there. Nice pink knit, some black, like a green, and then some like orangish. I'd say they're like kind of rusty orange. Probably pants. I know they're pants. I peeked. You know I peeked. Those are some pants. So, Stitch Fix, if you haven't done Stitch Fix before, I'll leave my referral link down below and you can get $25 towards your first box. And there's more information about Stitch Fix. They send you 5 different items. Could be clothes, purses, shoes, accessories. They send you the mailer to mail them back. And they send you the stylus note, which we'll read right now. You guys, I did request a new stylus. I love you, Ellie, and I'm sorry. It's a new year, and I'm just going to try something new. So we have a new stylus today. It says, "Hi, Rachel. Happy January and happy Fix Day. I'm excited to style you. For this one, I pulled a variety of pieces for you to try, and I tried to stay as price conscious as possible. I had mentioned that my fixes lately have been really pricey. Blah, blah, blah. Price conscious as possible, so let's jump right in. In your last fix, we missed the mark on finding you a pair of high-rise jeans, so I pulled a pair by Just USA for you to try. They are an on-trend color, and you can dress them up or down." Yeah, I wonder if I might even be able to wear them to work because they don't like look like jeans, you know? Rock them with the Love Always pullover and cute booties when you head to dinner or out for the evening. Go for a more laid-back vibe by wearing them with the Pixley pullover. I'm going out on a limb with the 9 Britton dress, but give it a whirl. Wear it with tights and booties or wedges for work and into the evening. How do you like the fit and style of these pieces? Let me know if you have any requests and have fun trying on everything. XO, Kristen. So we have a new stylist. Her name's Kristen. If you watch this, Kristen, hi. So, all right, we're gonna open it up. Price sheet. We'll go over that later. She said she was being price conscious like I asked, so that's good. This is really soft, this first one. Look how cute. Has kind of like a crew neck style there. With the sleeves, they're kind of balloony. They're look a little bit tighter at the cuff there, and I just really like that like kind of ribbing. It doesn't feel really textured, but you can definitely see the texture, and it's really soft. So this is the Vero Moda Sadella textured crewneck pullover in light blue. So that's really cute. I'm excited to try that on. And the bottom has, you know, that kind of ribbing whatever at the bottom. Anyway, just excited for that one. I'm excited for everything in this box. I just feel like mine have been a little lackluster lately. Alrighty, so this is a little different for me. So pretty pink. I'm wearing the pink today. I got pink lipstick. Going off on a tangent. I always wear this brand. It's the Maybelline New York Super Stay. It'll say, no, it's too bright. Or there's no words on that side. Super Stay Matte Ink. And this is the color 120 Artist, if anyone's interested. Magic doesn't come off. Anyway, back to the shirt. Cute, cute, cute. Look at the back though. Check that out. Nice little crisscross action. So I'm excited to try that. I'll probably have to wear a tank top under it, but we'll see. It's by Mark & Spruce. Fallan twist back plunging V-neck pullover in blush. So super pretty color. Nice long sleeves. Excited for that one too. Excited for this one. Excited for all of them. Oh, I have to shout out my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law Mallory gave me this really pretty What's it called? Mal. What's it called? Lantern. So there it is. Shout out. If you watch this. Alright, we have this black pullover here. It's a v-neck in the front, but again, the back is where it's at. Check out that back, little crisscross action there, and this is really soft too. Long sleeve. Where's the tag? Way deep down in there. Stitch Fix, love Ellie. Mia back detail pullover in black. So that's really pretty. Everything's super soft, as always. Stitch Fix, super soft. This is the dress, and it's kind of in this like moss green color, so that's pretty, as opposed to like the dark green I've been getting all the time. And it's a cowl neck. It's just a nice long sleeve dress, like she said, probably wear it over leggings or something. And exclusive. 9 Britton. Can't find the other tag though. I feel it. I feel it. 9 Britton, Marby, cowl neck, Hacci knit dress, Hacci, in olive. Very soft, cute cowl neck. I love cowl necks. And last we have the jeans. Just USA. Exclusive. Stretchy. And these are the Just USA Hanna high-rise skinny jean in burgundy. I would not call this burgundy. It's more like a burnt orange. But no distressing. Nice pockets, real pockets in the front and the back. Silver hardware right there. Yeah, those are cute. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, I'll drink my little iced coffee. So with this iced coffee, look how cute that is, by the way. I got it at Marshall's in a 4-pack. I made coffee ice cubes and then I just poured almond milk over it. And look at it, it's like a little nice iced coffee. So, chugging that. And let's get to the try-on. Also, if anyone's interested in my sweater, I love this sweater. I got it in another color too. I wore it in a previous Stitch Fix video. I think it was the last one of the year. And it was like black with the sparkles through it. Same sweater, different pattern. I got it from Kohl's. It's an apartment 9. It has the balloon sleeves. I love it. It's like the perfect length. You can tuck it in. Still looks cute. Check it out at your local Kohl's. Okay friends, here we have the first sweater. Sorry my head's going to be cut off in these for some reason. I really like it. It's a nice pretty color. I don't have anything like that's this soft blue color. And it has the cute little ribbing. It is so soft, you guys. When I was putting this on, like literally putting over my head, I was like, oh yeah. So soft. It has like a little bit, it's almost like a cropped, I feel like, or it might just be like my big boobs making it cropped. I really like it. Give a little tuck there, which I probably don't need to do because it's already kind of cropped. But I really like it. The sleeve length is really nice. It is so soft. You can see the kind of textured detail there. Nice neckline. I really like this one. Yay, so soft. It's been a while since I've danced in a shirt like that Stitch Fix has sent me, so pardon me, but I really like this one. Oh, hey, didn't see you there, staring at, back of my shirt. What do we think of this one, you guys? I love the color. I really like the blush color. I think it would transition into spring nice. You can always just kind of roll the sleeves up if you wanted to. I would wear this probably like, 80% of the time with like a cami under it or something. Just for, any potential slippage or openings or whatever. But this is really cute. What do you guys think? I like the neckline. I like the knit. It's not like see-through or anything. I think it looks good with my shorter hair. You can see my tattoo. Yeah, what do you guys think of this one? I really like the color. Would you guys wear this with like a white cami under it or like a black cami? What do you guys think? Here we have the dress. I paired it with some black leggings. These leggings are just from Kohl's. They're the Lauren Conrad. I really love Lauren Conrad's leggings, just FYI. What do you guys think of this one? I like it. I'm not in love with it. Sometimes this material can be a little clingy, but I think it looks good with the leggings. I would wear this to work. Easy, just with some boots or whatever. I really like the color. It's that kind of soft olivey green instead of that dark green I've been getting. Yeah, what do you guys think? I'm on my tippy toes because I'm short. There's the back. Yeah, so see how it's like a little bit clingy, but I guess that's okay. I don't know. Does it show my legging lines too much? I mean, it's not gonna, like, if I like everything else, it's not gonna be like a, you know, I wouldn't not get, I don't know what I'm saying. I wouldn't not, like, if I don't love it, I would still do a 5/5 if I like the other two items. And, you know, I could always sell it or something, too, if I end up not wanting to wear it, but it's cute. It's cute. I wanted to try it real quick with the jean jacket, too, because it had it paired with a jean jacket. So, that's kind of cute for fall. I don't really wear a jean jacket much in the winter. Do you guys? It's too cold where I am to just do that and wear a winter coat. So yeah, so that's kind of how it had it paired too. I just rolled the sleeves up, but put the sleeves down. Here we have the last top, the black, and then we have the jeans. I think they're an okay fit. I would say these are more of a mid-rise than a high-rise. I would usually like them up a little bit higher, but I think they fit okay. You know, they might stretch out over time too for like that kind of high-rise fit. I like the color of them. I don't have any jeans of this color, so I like that. I love this shirt, you guys. This is so soft. I know it's like super plain in the front, but you could wear like a cute necklace. And then look at the back though. And like you can never have too many like cute black tops. Like I could wear this to work just fine. I wouldn't worry about the back at all. Well, maybe a little with the bra right there, but it's so cute. Do a little tuck in action. Like look how cute that is. And the sleeve length is good. It's so soft. So soft. Do a little hair fluffing. Yeah, I like these. You guys! This might be a 5 for 5. I don't know. Let's go over prices. Alright, you guys. Let's go over prices. I'm so happy with this fix. I've been having some lackluster ones, and I'm sorry I had to get new stylists. I feel like so disloyal. But it just wasn't working for a little bit. I still love you, Ellie. I still love you if you watch this. Alright, first thing, 9 Britton, Marby Cowl neck Hacci knit dress. I liked it. I didn't really love the way it fit me through my midsection, but I liked it. And that was $48. So you guys, if you have ever tried Poshmark or you're on Poshmark, I might be putting that one on there. So if you liked that, it's an extra large. I would say it might fit more like a large. So I might be putting that on there. My Poshmark is at eyebrow06 if you want to check it out. Yeah, check it out. I got some other stuff on there too. And next is the Love Always Mia back detail pullover in black. I really like that. Even though it's like plain in the front, I really like the back. I think it would have been cute too if maybe they just did like one crisscross in the front to be like more cohesive with the back. That might have been cute. That was $44. It was really soft too. All the tops were really soft. The dress was really soft. Next is the Just USA Hanna high-rise skinny jean in burgundy, which it's really burnt orange, and a size 16, $58. So that's pretty good for Stitch Fix jeans, I think. As we all know, they're usually like 88, 98, even more. The Vero, Moda, Sadella texture crewneck pullover in light blue. So soft. $54. That is so cute. I'm like touching it right now. It's so cute. I can wear it to work or out of work, like going out. Pixley, Fallan, twist back, plunging v-neck, pullover in blush, $58. So that's a little pricey, you know, for the top. Almost, you know, $60 if I were just keeping that. But you guys, I think I'm going to keep everything this time and do a 5 for 5, which God knows, I don't know when the last time was I had one. I think September. It's been a little bit. So the subtotal for the picks were $262. Buyout discount is $65.50, so it'd make it $196.50. And then I have $109.72 in credit and gift card money. Thank you, Karen. My friend Karen signed up and she kept one thing from her fix. I think she already scheduled another one too. So she got $25 towards her fix. I got $25. So that's why I have $109.72. Weird number, I know. So my out of pocket for the 5 items would be $86.78. And you know what? I think I'm going to do it because that averages to like, don't make me do math, less than $20 per, you know, item after my credit. So yay, I'm so excited. Like I said, like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to try Stitch Fix, click on my referral link below and you'll get $25 towards your first box. I would get $25 as well. So yeah, you guys, yay! Thank you, Kristen. That was my new stylist name, right? So I reached for the card. Kristen, yeah, thank you so much. I'm so excited. It's been a little bit. So yeah, you guys have a great day and I will see you guys next time.